Today, I'll show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening every time you save a PDF file. First, go to the top left corner and click on the menu icon. From the drop-down, scroll all the way down and select Preferences. This is where you can control how Acrobat behaves. On the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see several categories. Scroll down until you find the one called Internet and click on it. Now, look for a button labeled Internet Settings. Click that, and a new window will appear. This window comes from your system's Internet options. At the top, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and select the one that says Programs. From there, click on Manage Add-ons. You'll now see a list of add-ons that work with your browser. At the bottom left, you'll notice an option that says Show. Choose Run Without Permission. This shows all add-ons that start automatically. Look for Adobe PDF Reader in the list. This is the one that makes your PDFs open automatically. Select it and then click Disable at the bottom right of the window. Once you do that, you'll see that its status changes to Disabled. That's it. Now the next time you save a PDF file, it won't automatically open in Adobe Acrobat. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.